Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I'm your science teacher Shaista Shah of level 3 with lecture number 1. Today we will start our second unit and it is unit number 2, changes in living things. All animals have a life cycle. So today we will also discuss a life cycle of an organism. What is a life cycle? Life cycle a, se- a life cycle is the series of changes in the life of an organism. With the passage of time, all living things it become old and die. So then make copies of themselves by having their young ones. So the life cycle means the different stages through which an organism passes in its life. Let's discuss life cycle of a butterfly. First, the life cycle of a butterfly begins as an egg. Then it grows into a caterpillar. Next, the caterpillar makes a pupa, chrysalis. Finally, after time, a butterfly emerges. You can see in the diagram, a butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. So, this was all about the life cycle of a butterfly, but I will summarize the life cycle of butterfly. This life cycle have four stages. The first one is eggs, the second one is caterpillar, the third one is pupa chrysalis, and the fourth one is adult butterfly. Let's discuss life cycle of a chicken. Before starting the life cycle of a chicken, I will remind that what is the meaning of life cycle. We have learned before that you also have the life cycle. You become your life as a baby. Then this baby will grow and grow to become an old woman and old man like your father, like your grandfather, or like your grandmother. Also, the hen has a life cycle. It's began her life as an egg. Then this egg will hatch and the chick will come out of egg. You see this small bird. It's chick, okay? This is the baby of the hen. This chick will grow and grow to become an adult hen. And this hen will lay eggs again and the egg will out of eggs. After this the chick will grow and grow to become an adult hen. And the adult hen will lay eggs. Again, this life cycle will non stop. So, let's discuss the diagram. First one is egg. It takes about 21 days for the eggs to hatch. Number 2, Stage number 2, hatchling or hatching. The baby chick eats the yolk inside the egg for nutrition. When the chick is ready to cracks the egg to hatch. Number third stage, chick. Baby chicks are small, furry. The chicks peck the ground with their beak to find food that is right to eat. Number fourth stage, hen. The adult hen lays more eggs and sits on them to keep them warm. The life cycle begins anew. Let's see what is inside the egg. When you break an egg, what you will see? Inside the egg, you see this yellow circle. This is an egg yolk. Say again, this is an egg yolk. And this white part also has a name. It's called egg white. So the egg has two parts, egg yolk and egg white means albumin. So dear students, this was all about today's lecture. We will meet with next lecture, the life cycle of a frog and a fish. And so take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.